Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology classroom once again. Hope all of you watched the last video. Today I'm going to discuss resource or RH factor. So what is resource factor? The blood contains another important antigen which is RH factor or the resource factor. So it is a kind of antigen which is situated in the blood. This determines the compatibility of the blood transfusion to be given to the recipient. मतलब नॉर्मली हम रेसिपेंट को कौन सा ब्लड देंगे डिपेंड करता है RH फैक्टर के ऊपर. द RH फैक्टर कैन बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. द ए पर्सन कैन बी called RH positive or RH negative depending on the presence or absence of the RH factor. So depend upon RH factor. Anybody may be RH positive or RH negative. The Rh negative people do not have an antibody in the plasma as against the Rh factor. It's very important. मतलब जो Rh नेगेटिव है इस दौरान उन लोग का ब्लड में ब्लड प्लाज्मा में Rh फैक्टर के ऊपर कोई एंटीबॉडी नहीं होता है. If a person Rh negative is given blood with Rh positive by mistake, then the recipient develops antibodies against the Rh factor. So normally जिसके पास Rh पॉजिटिव नहीं है मतलब Rh फैक्टर नहीं है, अगर बाय मिस्टेक हम लोग उसको Rh पॉजिटिव ब्लड मतलब Rh प्रेजेंस वाला ब्लड अगर उसको दे देंगे तो नॉर्मली Rh फैक्टर के ऊपर एंटीबॉडी फॉर्म करेगा. जिस दौरान क्या हो सकता है, नॉर्मली ब्लड क्लम्सी फॉर्म करेगा, क्लॉट हो सकता है. Repeated transfusion of the blood to the recipient with Rh positive factor can become very dangerous and may endanger the recipient's life. So normally अगर दोबारा भी हम ऐसी गलती से ब्लड उसको दे देंगे Rh पॉजिटिव वाला तो नॉर्मली it may be lead to the death. That is a chart. Blood group can donate blood and can receive blood from A positive. Normally it collect the blood from A positive and AB positive. Sorry, it can donate the blood A positive and AB positive. Same way can receive the blood from A positive, A minus, A negative, O positive and O negative. So here is a chart. So you will just read. Now blood vessels. Blood vessels carry blood throughout our body. The blood vessels run between the heart and the rest of the body. There are three types of blood vessels in our body: arteries, vein and capillaries. Here is a blood vessels that act as a pipe. जिस दौरान ब्लड पूरा शरीर के अंदर हार्ट से फ्लो करता है. Normally blood vessels three types: arteries, vein and capillaries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood from heart to all the parts of the body. Normally artery का function क्या है? Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. So normally heart जो blood pump कर रहा है उस pump करने वाला blood को लेके जाएगा कौन? Artery. In other words, arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. तो normally हार्ट से ये ब्लड को दूर लेके जा रहा है. Arteries are found in the whole of our body. The arteries have thick and elastic wall because blood flows through them at a high pressure. इसको अंडरलाइन करना. Arteries have thick elastic wall. The inner lining of arteries is very thick because through them blood can flow at a high pressure. The main artery called aorta is connected to the left ventricle to the heart. So normally main artery कौन सा है? That is known as aorta. Aorta. It is the main artery. It connected the left ventricle to the heart. Left ventricle of the heart. The main artery carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the parts of the body. So normally main artery जो है that is aorta, it carries the oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart throughout the body. And another artery called pulmonary artery is connected to the right ventricle to the heart, and it carries the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. So normally, what is the main artery? That is aorta, and another artery, that is pulmonary artery. It connected to the right ventricle of the heart, and it carries the deoxygenated blood. I mean, ये जो blood carry करता है उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का मतलब लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड कैरी करता है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? इट कैरीज द डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड फ्रॉम द राइट वेंट्रिकल टू द लंग्स. राइट वेंट्रिकल से लेकर लंग्स तक कैरी करता है. नेक्स्ट, भेन्स. Veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. मतलब normally the main function of vein is it carry the deoxygenated blood from the different body parts to the heart. मतलब पूरा शरीर से जो deoxygenated blood है उसको कैरी करके हार्ट तक वापस लेके आने वाला काम कौन करता है? भेन्स. In other words, veins are the blood vessels which carry blood towards the heart. तो नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? नॉर्मली हार्ट की तरफ जो ब्लड लेके आता है दैट इज भेन. The greenish blue lines which we see just below our skin, our hands, legs and veins. नॉर्मली हम लोग अपना स्किन के नीचे जो ब्लूइश ग्रीन कलर का कुछ दिखते हैं दैट इज भेन. The greenish blue lines which we see just below our skin, these are veins. The deoxygenated blood returns to the heart at the low pressure through the veins. Since the blood flows at low pressure through the veins, so the veins have thin walls. It is a great difference from artery and vein, because in case of artery, their inner lining is very thick, because but normally blood can flow throughout the arteries at a high pressure, but in case of vein, blood can flow at a low pressure. That's why their inner lining, I mean the inner lining wall is very thin. Since the blood flows at a low pressure through the veins, so the veins have thin walls. Veins have valves in them which allow the blood in them to flow in one direction only towards the heart. So normally in case of veins, मतलब उन लोगों का रास्ते पे कोई भाल्व्स है जिस दौरान ब्लड का बैक फ्लो ना हो सके. मतलब वो डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड को कैरी करके हार्ट तक वापस लेके आ रहा है. अगर वही डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड अगर दोबारा वापस मुड़ के जाएगा तो इट इज़ अ इम्प्योर ब्लड. ये दैट इज पॉइजनस फॉर आवर हेल्थ. इसीलिए देयर आर सम valves. It prevents the black flow of the blood in veins. The main vein is connected to the right atrium of the heart. The main veins carry deoxygenated blood from the all parts of the body back to the heart. Another vein called pulmonary vein is connected to the left atrium of the heart. The pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. इसका नीचे दाग लगाना. Pulmonary vein that is attached to the left atrium of the heart, it carries the oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. So student, hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.